Hello children, now our topic is subtractions. SUBTRACTIONS, subtractions with BORROWING, borrowing. So we already learning simple subtractions only. Now using borrowing. So are you know children subtraction spelling? SUBTRACTIONS, subtractions. SUBTRACTIONS, subtractions with borrowing. So I will explaining example children. -21 minus 9. 21. So what is this number children? So what is this? 21 minus 9. So here 1 minus 9. So in subtractions too, first of all, which place numbers we are taking? Ones place numbers only. Which place? Ones place number we are taking and doing the subtraction. So 1 minus 9 directly is possible? Subtraction? No. Why? So up one is small number having, down number is big number having. But in subtraction too, up number big and down number small number having means subtraction is possible. So here directly not possible subtraction. So how to possible subtraction now? So I am saying directly is not possible. So what to do now? So we are taking the borrowing. We are using the borrowing. So here ones place only 1 is there. So we are taking borrowing. So here how many tens are there? 2 tens. So we are taking 1 10 here. 1 10 they are taking 1 10 means 10. Here how much? 1 is there. So plus 1. 10 plus 1 means 11. So here 11. So 1 become 11. Why? Here taking borrowing only? Yes. So here 2. So one number given borrowing only. So here 1 only having remaining. So 1 tens only having. So 11 minus 9. So now subtraction is possible? Yes. Why? So up number is big number, down number is small number. Now subtraction is possible. 11 minus 9. How much? So the down number, how much? Next number 2 you count children. 9 after number, 10, 11. So 2. So 1. So in tens plus 2 having in the numbers? Not there. So 0 will give. So 1 minus 0, 1 only. So 21 minus 9 equals to 12. 21 minus 9 equals to 12. So second one, 32 minus 8. 32 minus 8. So here, so up 1, 2, down number 8. So first of all we are taking ones place digits only. See here ones place numbers. So here subtraction is directly possible? No. So we are taking the borrow. So in tens place number 2 we are taking. So here 2. So one number less only. So one number will subtraction only. Borrowing going. So here 2 will cut it. So 12. 2 become 12. 3 become 2. 12 minus 8. How much? 12 minus 8 how much? 9. 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4. 12 minus 8, 4. So again, tens place 2. So number is 24. 32 minus 8 equals to 24. So this number you observe, children. 48 minus 12. 48 minus 12. So here in ones place numbers you check it, children. 8 minus 2. So up one is big number. Down one is small number having. So subtraction is directly possible? Yes. So 8 minus 2 how much? So I am saying simple subtraction only this. So 8 minus 2. Count. Suppose I am showing one drawing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 balls having, in that 8 balls 2 will removing. So remaining how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in ones place. Next same. 4 in tens place. So 1 down, how much? 1 number is there. So 1 will cut it. So remaining 3. 36. This is the simple subtraction. So before we are doing that, these are borrowing only. So now we are using borrowing. 57 minus 39. So this problem you do, children. 57 minus 39. So here 7. Up one is 7 having, down number 9. So subtraction is directly not possible. So we are taking borrowing. So in which place 2? Tens place number 2 we are taking borrowing. So here 17, 7 becomes 17, 5 become 4. First of all you write this like, afterwards only you do subtraction. 17 minus 9 how much? 10, 11. So 9 number afterwards you count till 17. Open your fingers like this. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how much? 8. So here 4. 4 minus 3. 1. 57 minus 39 equals to 18. Is it correct? Correct or wrong? Check it, children, once. Is it correct? Yes. 17 minus 9, 8. 4 minus 3, 1. So next one. 100 minus 90. So here 100 minus 90. How much? 100 minus 90. 0 minus 0. So first of all you check it this. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens. So hundreds place 2 not their numbers. So we are keeping 0. So for easy for you children, you keep like that. So next of all, which place we are taking first of all? Ones place digits. So ones place number. 0 minus 0. 0. 0 minus 9. Some members wrote here 9. So don't write children here 9. So here 0 having, they down 9. So up one is small number having, down number is big number having. So subtraction is possible here? No, subtraction is not possible. So we are taking borrowing. So 0 become 10. 1 10 will taking only. So 1, already 1 10 will going here. So here not their number, 0 only. So 10 minus 9. How much 10 minus 9? 1. 0 minus 0, 0. So are you understand? So next number. $52. So all 50 only. Okay. Another number will take. 84 minus 38. 84 minus 38. So here 84 minus 38. So 4 and 8 ones place numbers. So some members are doing 4, 8 minus 4, 4. Here wrote. So don't write like that. So up number is big number and down number is small number having means subtraction is possible. So otherwise not possible subtraction. Directly is not possible. Okay. So we are taking borrowing. So 4 become 14. So 8 become 7. So 14 minus 8. So I am showing one box as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So in this 14 box too, how many will cut? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remaining count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So here how many tens are there? 7 tens. So 7 minus 3. How much? 4. So I am showing another example also, children. See here. $25 minus 17. 25 minus 17. I am showing one example clearly, children. Observe clearly. So here how many tens are there, children? 2 tens. 10. 2 tens. How many ones having? 1, 1. 1, 1. So here how many ones are there? 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So here 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. So subtraction is possible here directly? Not possible. So here 10. 10 will going here borrow. So here cutting, cut it, and here only 10 will adding. So 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See here. So 10 equals to 1 tenths. See here. So tens will adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here how many will cut? 7. 7 only cut it. So down number is 7. So 7 will cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So remaining how many? How many ones are there? Up one, upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So here borrowing, this one is 15. Here only 1 10 is there. Yes. Here 1 10 only. 10 minus 10. 0. So 25 minus 17 equals to 8. Next one. $36 minus $29. 36 minus 29. So 6 minus 9 directly is possible? Not possible. So here taking borrow. So here 6 become 16. 3 become 2. So now we'll do 16 minus 9. So 16 ones you draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in that 16 ones too, how many will cut? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 16 minus 9, 7. So here 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 how much? 0. So 36 minus 29 equals to how much? 7. 36 minus 29 equals to 7. So next one. $50 minus 28. 50 minus 28. So are you observed, children? So now subtraction is directly possible? No, not possible. Why? So here one's place up number is small number having, down number is big number having. So subtraction is directly not possible. So here taking borrow. So 0 become 10. 10 minus 8. How much? 10 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minus 8 cut it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remaining 2. 4 minus 2. How much 4 minus 2? 2. So 50 minus 28 equals to 22. Are you observing, children? Borrowing. So are you understand? So write properly this example also. Write in your notebook too. Write properly. So you take another example and solve it, okay? You take another example. to write another numbers and 2 numbers you take and solve it. Okay children. So practice it children, subtractions. So next topic in next class I will explain.